A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science, exercises, set 12A. I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What mainly consists of LPG? Letter A, ethane, hexane, and nonane. Letter B, methane, ethane, and hexane. Letter C, methane, hexane, and nonane. Letter D, methane, butane, and propane. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, methane, butane, and propane. LPG consists mainly of methane, butane, and propane. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is a colorless, odorless liquid that readily evaporates into a gas. PG, either butane or propane, is generally stored and distributed as a liquid and widely used for process and space heating, cooking, and automotive propulsion. What is air? Letter A, mixture. Letter B, element. Letter C, electrolyte. Letter D, compound. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, mixture. Air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of gases comprising the Earth's atmosphere. The mixture contains a group of gases of nearly constant concentrations and a group with concentrations that are variable in both space and time. Which of the following domestic product uses the product of chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, gas, proposed to be banned in India? Letter A, television. Letter B, tube light. Letter C, refrigerator. Letter D, cooking gas. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, refrigerator. Among the following domestic product, the refrigerator uses chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, gas, that proposed to be banned in India. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFC, comprise non-toxic, non-flammable chemicals containing atoms of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. Uses in the manufacture of aerosol sprays, blowing agents for foams and packing materials, as solvents, and as refrigerants. They are also commonly known by the DuPont brand name Freon. Which of the following choices of gas filled the balloons? Letter A, argon. Letter B, helium. Letter C, oxygen. Letter D, nitrogen. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, helium. Balloons filled with helium. Helium is a chemical component with the symbol He and atomic number 2. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic, inert, monatomic gas, the first in the noble gas group in the periodic table. Its boiling and melting point are the lowest among all the elements. Which of the following choices does not contain a coinage metal? Letter A, zinc and gold. Letter B, silver and gold. Letter C, copper and gold. Letter D, copper and silver. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, zinc and gold. Among the following choices, zinc and gold do not contain a coinage metal. The coinage metals contain, at a minimum, those metallic chemical elements that have historically as components in alloys used to mint coins. Which metal pollutes the air of a big city? Letter A, lead. Letter B, copper. Letter C, cadmium. Letter D, chromium. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, lead. The lead metal pollutes the air of a big city. Lead is a chemical element with the symbol Pb and atomic number 82. It is a heavy metal that is denser than most common materials. Lead is soft and malleable and also has a relatively low melting point. When freshly cut, lead is silvery with a hint of blue. It tarnishes to a dull gray color when exposed to air. What alloy use in bell metal? Letter A, tin and copper. Letter B, zinc and copper. Letter C, brass and nickel. Letter D, nickel and copper. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, tin and copper. The bell metal is an alloy of tin and copper. The bell metal is a hard bronze alloy used for making bells and relevant instruments, such as cymbals. It is a form of bronze with a higher tin content, regularly in approximately a 4:1 ratio of copper to tin. The higher tin content increases the rigidity of the metal and increases the resonance. Why water is a good solvent of ionic salts? Letter A, it has no color. Letter B, it has a high boiling point. Letter C, it has a high specific heat. Letter D, it has a high dipole moment. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, it has a high dipole moment. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because it has a high dipole moment. A dipole moment is an occurrence when there is a separation of charge. They can occur between two ions in an ionic bond or between atoms in a covalent bond. Dipole moments arise from differences in electronegativity. The dipole moment is a measure of the polarity of the molecule. Which of the following choices is not an isotope of hydrogen? Letter A, tritium. Letter B, yttrium. Letter C, protium. Letter D, deuterium. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, yttrium. The yttrium is not an isotope of hydrogen. The isotopes of hydrogen are often using to study the easy system. Therefore, hydrogen, the simplest nucleus, has been studied extensively. The isotopes of hydrogen show many of the effects found in more complicated nuclei. The word isotope refers to a nucleus with the same Z but different A. What are the main constituents of pearls? Letter A, aragonite and conchyolin. Letter B, calcium oxide and ammonium chloride. Letter C, ammonium sulfate and sodium carbonate. Letter D, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. The main constituents of pearls are calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. A pearl is a hard, glistening object created within the soft tissue of a living shelled mollusk or another animal. Like the shell of a mollusk, a pearl is composed of calcium carbonate in minute crystalline form, which has deposited in concentric layers. What are amalgams? Letter A, highly colored alloys. Letter B, alloys that contain carbon. Letter C, alloys which have great abrasion resistance. Letter D, alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. Amalgams are alloys that contain mercury as one of the contents. An amalgam is an alloy of mercury with another metal. It may be a liquid, a soft paste or a solid, depending upon the proportion of mercury. Which of the following choices is the lightest metal? Letter A, lead. Letter B, silver. Letter C, lithium. Letter D, mercury. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, lithium. Among the following choices, the lightest metal is lithium. Lithium is a chemical element with the symbol Li and atomic number 3. It is a soft, silvery white alkali metal. Under standard conditions, it is the lightest metal and the lightest solid element. Which of the following choices of metals remain in liquid for under normal conditions? Letter A, zinc. Letter B, radium. Letter C, mercury. Letter D, uranium. Choose the suitable answer to the following choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, mercury. Among following choices of metals, the mercury remain in liquid for under normal conditions. Mercury is a chemical element with the symbol Hg and atomic number 80. It is commonly known as quicksilver and was formerly named hydrargyrum.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science exercises, set 12a. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.